Okay, so
More than likely.
we're inside. Oh, I thought she was a mannequin. We're inside of the Target, and life is coming at us fast. I mean, last week, oh my gosh, this trip. Last week I was wearing shorts, and today I have on a fur wrap.
Bitch, it's cold as shit outside.
It's so cold.
Oh my gosh.
And we're not really making it right now, but we're in good spirits.
Let's be clear, I'm very jealous of you in this fur right now, because it's cold as shit.
I know,
And I'm ill prepared.
I ain't gonna lie to you because literally the wind was flying through my skin. Okay, so I'm in here because my mom told me that I need to try Miel Organics Peppermint something deep conditioner. And she said that it's gonna make my hair fly down to the floor. So I gotta get that. And I'm here. So Mom, if you watch my stuff, you might. Here it goes, girl. Oh, it's only $9.99. The Miel Organics Peppermint Mask, $9.99. Girl, it was $14 on Amazon. It's cheaper in here. I'm getting it. And my mom is like the GOAT for like bomb products. Like she always knows like the best stuff.
Oh, I need you to do my little hair thing. What the fuck that shit called? What the fuck did you call it, bitch?
What, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm about to show you guys Bria hair in 1 second because I want my hair like that. Hold on. Dang, Bria got me look crazy. All right, then. It smells just like peppermint. I actually do like that smell.
Oh, that does smell bomb.
I wonder, this looked like it was tampered with. Excuse me. Girl, I'd be like, no, I gotta check everything. That's what I'm make sure I'm getting one that wasn't tampered with and got all the product inside.
Yeah, because people be trifling.
Yeah, this one was tampered with.
People be trifling. Girl.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited
To try it, yeah.
Yes.
Like, I want to try this deep conditioner.
Cause girl, like my mom is saying like apparently like this is like the bomb. Like this stuff is the best.
I'm about to say, make sure
She like has been living by it, huh?
I said, let me close my phone and make sure I'm holding it straight.
Oh, because I'm looking.
Oh, girl. Duh.
Ooh. And a strengthening oil. Girl, they have a split end care treatment. This is $9.99 too. This product point go crazy. I mean the price point go crazy. That's bomb. Okay, I like that. I like this a lot. I'm getting this for $9.99 because I need that. So I'm going to try this out and see how it goes. Let's see if I love it. Ooh, what is this?
I don't know. This looks really cute.
Look at these.
Glitter injection. This is my life. Like, what are we talking about?
Oh my gosh, we should get one like to do like a shoot with it. Like to make our hair glittery.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love. Don't they have like
I would
other
use this pink
colors?
one.
Oh gosh,
This
this
is
is
really
so bomb.
cute.
This is definitely you. Don't look at my nails right now. My nails actually look like this because I took them
Girl,
off so that I
listen,
can
look at this.
do
We both hit
nails.
right now. It's okay. I gotta fix this now. No, I was gonna do my 420 nails. So,
Oh yeah. Can't forget that.
I mean, I guess I'll soak these off.
I told you.
Listen, let me tell you. I am the worst.
Soaking your nails off.
with soaking your nails. I am the worst.
It's a
10
project.
minutes in, I'm like, I think I'm just gonna clip these joints off.
Yep, I'm just gonna prime them off. Actually, I'm just gonna buy them all. I used to always buy.
Oh, girls
Ooh.
bite my nails off too, because all they did when I went to the nail salon was flip them shits off into themselves. I'm like, damn, I could have did this at home.
For
Instead of
sure.
paying you $5 to do it.
Exactly. Period. That's why you guys need to come to our salon because we don't do that kind of stuff. Flick your nails off and then try to get to make you pay us after we done ripped off the top layer of your nails.
Facts.
You should be paying me.
Hard facts.
Right, because my nail is never going to come back the same.
I know. I need to
It's
order
gonna be
some
so
more
thin.
acrylic pads. I'm gonna order some more from the Valentino brand.
Oh my gosh, girl, this is what we use. This is another thing like I live by. Girl, this Garnier, this right here is bomb. This like is me. This is what I'm getting. But this joint is the best ever. Like it's so good for your skin.
This is the lotion I have.
Oh yeah, girl, the righteous butter. Girl, it smells bomb. It used to be $15.99. It went down to $13.99.
Oh, I kind of want this Heal Genius because I feel like I need it right now. Yes.
No, yeah.
You know
No.
what else I'm about to do? I'm about to make body
Hold this.
from scratch.
Actually, how? Oh yeah, we should like start. I'm not gonna speak too much on them folks, but we would do so good at that. Alright, I'm not gonna need it. Period. Oh,
Heal Genius. Where's the hand food? Like, what the fuck?
that word. That word. Period. Okay,
Listen.
we're live. I want to get this so bad, but I'm gonna budget.
Girl, let me tell you, because Hope and Glory is cheap, but it ain't cheap, girl.
Girl, it's $13, but it lasts me like a month though.
Yeah. Even the hand food I had, I think I paid like $6.99 for it. Well, it didn't last me that long because Paige kept stealing it. But I mean, and you know lotion's good when your boyfriend steals it.
Yeah. No, not for real. Like
And it smells like a female.
Yeah, Mike looks like a girl. Hey, Mike. I doubt that he watches my vlogs,
I'm
but
dead. No, my nose
this
boyfriend
lighting.
still watch mine. I know. We look bomb as shit.
Friends forever. Hold on, wait.
We should at Wegmans.
Yes, no, this is not for real. We're 10
We
years
should do
plus.
like a story time.
Oh yeah, we should do a story of how we met. First of all, we didn't meet at Wegmans though. We
went to Bowie first.
School. We met at school.
Yeah.
But then we realized that we worked together also. And then at first it was just like, do we get along?
Yeah, because we worked in the same department as
Yeah. Oh yeah, because you were working over and what was that?
I was working on the other side.
I forgot what it's called.
Whatever. We haven't worked there in years, so we don't remember what it's called. But
and then she moved over to the side that I was on. We were just like, because Bria is very like, I'm very friendly in the beginning, and Bria is very like,
I'm an acquired taste.
But then once I figure you out, that's when I'm like, are you my taste?
Yeah. I'm about to say, I'm an acquired taste.
And then Bria is like always the same no matter what.
I think all my friends hated me before they met me. They were like,
I never
bitch,
hated you.
Just not like that. Like not like literally hate me,
But
but
you
just
never
were kind of like, what's up with this bitch? And then they're like, oh, she cool as shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people think I look stuck up too.
Yeah.
But I'm literally that bitch that I don't give a fuck. So
You're not stuck up at all.
at all.
People think I'm stuck up too. I'm not stuck up at all. I'm not fake. And I don't know how to not say exactly what I'm thinking. So like.
Same.
Yeah. Because remember, people be like, Antwanique, why did you... I'm the person that'll be like, okay, I don't like you. Because you suck.
I think that we should do like...
Well, I never don't dislike people.
Get stuff.
Yeah.
Be like, oh, I like this stuff. See what we like, see what we don't like. Oh, this is a cute picture.
What's the video?
Oh, bitch. Come on. The fuck? That's cute. I'm gonna try like all this stuff over here.
I get treated so
like,
poorly.
We can do like reviews. I think we should do product reviews. Or we should like
We should definitely
do
product reviews
and stuff.
Yeah, we should do that. We should start doing that.
I know.
We're also filming a vlog right now.
Getting to all these bags. Okay.
Hello.
Because one time grandma made me spit.
The mail's fun. It's like getting presents.
Yeah, also one time grandma made right. She gave me $20, but I didn't even know.
In the mail?
Yeah.
How didn't you know?
She didn't say anything. She was, hi guys. She got everything in my house.
Gia is watching
Everything in my
ABC Mouse because YouTube is just not that educational.
Little name.
So we've switched over to ABC Mousin because ABC Mouse is where she can learn and still have fun and still be able to use her iPad. And it's not like YouTube where you have to monitor every minute. Do you have anything to say to these folks? It's a slow night where the energy's down. This is another thing. I always have been trying to get them to like come outside and color and draw and just be kids, you know? I feel like kids now do not act like kids. Yes, it's a rocket ship.
This is my rocket ship, and that's your rocket ship.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm saying like, what's the business? Welcome back. This is a totally different day. Okay, so don't be judgy, but currently I'm doing spring cleaning. I'm actually towards the ending of spring cleaning. This is like the last little bit of what I needed to put away. So as of right now, walking through my bathroom. I could show you guys a little bit, like, if you guys want to see a video of like my organization and stuff like that, as far as like for my bathroom or for my house, let me know. Because if it's one thing I kind of pride myself on, this is a mess. I want to actually reorganize this entire cabinet. But I really do pride myself on being quite organized. So I'm not done yet. This is one of my closets. I have another walk-in that I'm using as well for all my stuff. This is how far I've come. This is the stuff that I actually wear. So the other closet that's on the other side of my house has the stuff that I don't wear and my work stuff, because I'm going to use that area for when I get ready for work. And then this closet is going to be more so like my everyday type closet. So I'm currently watching, I think it's called The House Edit. They have like organizational videos. I love watching those. And then this is kind of like the rest of the stuff that I need to put away. And then I just kind of like have the TV on while I wait. I want to give you guys a house tour, but I'm nowhere near done decorating my house, which is the only reason why I haven't. So if you guys want to see like cleaning videos and just decor videos until then, I got you with that. Just comment down below, let me know. I'm going to finish just putting the rest of the stuff away and finally be done. I honestly feel like for this entire vlog, this should just be called the haul vlog, because every day, well, every time I pull up the camera, I finally get around to pull up the camera. We're in the hallway. Anywho, what are we on our way to do?
Go to movies.
And what are we about to go see?
A movie.
The Avengers. So before we go, let's make a little list. What do we intend to get for snacks?
Popcorn, slushies,
Nachos.
Nachos, and maybe some Sour Patch Kids for me. I don't know about you. I want Sour Patch.
Solid decisions.
I want Sour Patch Kids. And we're gonna get chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh, that's a lot, man.
Dippin' Dots is what she's speaking about.
Oh, they got Dippin' Dots?
They got Dippin' Dots.
We're gonna get some Dippin' Dots.
So it seems like we have a pretty solid menu.
Whoa.
About 40 million items. So we want to go get snacks. And how are we feeling about this movie? 1 out of 10.
I'm excited because I saw Infinity War, and this one right here, the Infinity War leads to Endgame. Because Infinity War...
I ain't even gonna lie to you, I didn't see Infinity Wars, I don't think. I probably should have prepared. I didn't though. Showtime, girls, boys, and ladies, and boy, girls. We are finally here. The movie's in the background. It's packed. We are excited. Yes, AA.
Mommy,
and some more AA.
Superman will have a good
look
day.
At my diamond ring. Anyways, alright, so we're on our way inside, and when we get back out here, we're going to give you guys a review of the movie without telling you what happened.
When
Gia will talk for the entire video if we let her.
Superman and Batman was...
Gia, are you kidding me right now? Okay, Antoine, so give us a quick review. Let's give a review on how the movie was. Scale of 1 to 10, what we're giving it?
How what?
On a scale of 1 to 10, what are we giving the movie?
Oh, the movie's a 10.
A 10? It went awesome. It was a little slow.
I bumped my lip right here. No, it was a 9 because they killed so many. They killed a person not been in a Marvel movie for years. Like, how you gonna do that?
You can't say that. You can't say that. We can't give it away.
Look at Captain America. No,
they didn't.
They made him old. That's a poke.
Back in the hallway because, I mean, it's the norm. We are rolling out. Of course, I'm with my miniature. And I pampered myself to the gods. And then I did my makeup. It's kind of blurry. Let's focus this in. Yeah, so beat my face to the gods and back. And we're on our way out. I have no clue where we're going. But as usual, it's going to be a great time with my best friend. And our bestie. Earrings by AA, of course.
Right here. Hey.
Candy frappuccino?
Yes. And also, may I please have a grande matcha green tea frappuccino?
That's a grande matcha green tea frappuccino.
Yes, with 9 pumps of raspberry. I'm dead serious about 9 pumps.
Alright, with 9 pumps of raspberry.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
There's 12 vanilla bean.
It's cotton candy, so it's just vanilla bean with raspberry in it.
Yeah, gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I was away from the screen. Alright, is everything right on the screen for you today?
Yes.
Alright, that'll be $9.76 at the window.
Thank you. Do you want some? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm currently in the dollar store because I promised Gia that I would buy her a lollipop, like one of the ones you get at like a carnival. And before I do that, I'm in the pen section so that I can see if they sell the pens I love. My little one is driving the boat. Hold on, Gia. Let's turn.
It's mine.
Let's turn this way.
My shopping cart.
Let's see. Down here, this is what I have on. Moto pants. Like some regular shop. Boots. Little baby. Okay, so it is officially late. We went to the dollar store and they didn't have what we were looking for. I was looking for these lollipops that Gia asked me for, and I promised I was gonna get it for her, and I thought it was gonna be there, but it wasn't. So I'm home and I'm about to edit this video and post it, and I'm gonna continue making more videos. So make sure that you guys like this video, and I will see you. I look toe up. I already ripped my lashes off and everything. I just realized that I didn't ever end the video, but yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.